You ever learn to pump gas in your car? Today I'm going to show you how. Welcome to Adulting Life 101. My name is Adam, and today we're going to show you how to pump gas in your car. Before we pull up to the pump, we need to figure out what side our gas tank is on, and it's indicated by this little arrow right there. So that means it's on the left side of your car. Next, we want to make sure that our car is off. It's not safe to pump gas in your car when your car is on, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Double check by making sure the lights are off on the dash. Next step is getting out of your car and opening up the gas panel. How else are you going to get gas? Next, you want to take a look at the screen to see what it's saying. It's telling you to insert your debit card or credit card in the slot below. There's some instructions on the pump of how to do it. You can either hit the scan button or put in your card. I choose to put in my card, make it easy. And it's asking me for my PIN number. You look at the keypad and you type in the PIN number. A lot of people say don't type in your PIN number. I don't think it's really that big of a deal. If you're out of state and you don't feel as comfortable, use a credit card. So I'm following the instructions on the keypad, removing my card. It asks me if I want a receipt. I'm going to hit yes. You don't have to. It's just for my personal satisfaction. So the next thing you do is you're going to remove the nozzle, which means you pick up the gas nozzle and you bring it over to your open gas tank and you put it in. So next step it's going to ask you is to pick your fuel product. Now there's three products. There's fuel 87, 89, and 93. 87 is for most vehicles. It's the cheapest. Plus is a mixture between premium and the low grade, and premium is more for sports cars. So this is going to flash on the top of the screen, which means you're ready to pump gas. And you pull the trigger, and you pump the gas. And the good thing about pulling the trigger is you can pull it all the way tight, and there's a little latch that allows you to lock it so you don't have to hold it the whole time. And now you just wait to fill your tank. When your tank fills up, you're going to hear this sound. It's a little click. And that means your gas tank is full. Once it's full, you take the gas nozzle out of your car, so you got to go ahead and grab it. Doesn't matter if you pull the trigger, it's not going to hurt it. You put it back on the gas pump, and it will recognize that you put it back. It has a little sensor, and it's going to print your receipt right to the left. It's going to come out of this little slot right to the left. So the next step, guys, is to turn on the car and see if your tank is full. All right, everyone, we're back in the car, and we're going to go ahead and start her up. So she starts up right away, and it's going to show me that my tank is full and how many miles we get per tank. My gas mileage isn't the best, but thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.